Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. In today's video, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a closer look at two innovative security cameras, LaView Indoor Security Camera 2K and LaView 4-megapixels Bulb Security Camera 2K. Get ready to protect your home and loved ones in style. When it comes to video quality, both cameras offer impressive resolutions. The LaView camera provides super clear 2K FHD video, allowing you to see every detail. On the other hand, the LaView camera takes it a step further with its 4-megapixels HD 2560x1440p resolution. It's like having a personal movie theater in your home. However, what really sets the LaView camera apart is its ability to rotate and set the point of view in real time. It's like having a virtual tour of your house. So, for exceptional video quality and flexibility, the LaView Indoor Security Camera 2K takes the lead in this category. Now, let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these cameras. The LaView camera comes equipped with 4 infrared lights, ensuring you can see every move of your baby or pet, even in the darkest of nights. But what about the LaView camera? Well, the LaView camera takes night vision to a whole new level with its advanced starlight technology. It provides full-color video even in low light conditions. Imagine capturing vivid footage of those sneaky raccoons trying to steal your trash. So, for the best night vision experience, the LaView 4-megapixels Bulb Security Camera 2K steals the spotlight. Smart features are essential when it comes to security cameras. Both cameras offer motion detection, but the LaView camera takes it a step further with its smart tracking and human detection capabilities. It automatically tracks any motion it detects and sends you real-time alerts to your phone. No more false alarms from pesky squirrels. On the other hand, the LaView camera provides additional peace of mind with its 110 decibels alarm siren. If an intruder tries to enter your home, this camera will not only capture their every move but also scare them away with a blaring siren. It's like having your very own security guard. So, for advanced smart features and the ability to track every movement, the LaView Indoor Security Camera 2K takes the crown in this category. Setting up a security camera shouldn't be a hassle. The LaView camera offers a simple plug-and-play setup. Just connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and you're good to go. It's as easy as pie, but what about the LaView camera? Well, the LaView camera takes it a step further with its easy wireless installation using Wi-Fi connectivity and an E27 light bulb base. It's like screwing in a light bulb. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice controls, making it even more convenient to use. So, for a hassle-free setup and seamless integration with your smart home devices, the LaView 4-megapixels Bulb Security Camera 2K shines in this category. The LaView Indoor Security Camera 2K and the LaView 4-megapixels Bulb Security Camera 2K have both received positive reviews from customers. The LaView camera is praised for its video quality, easy setup, and smart features such as motion tracking. On the other hand, the LaView camera stands out with its high-resolution video, advanced night vision, and convenient wireless installation. Overall, both cameras have their own unique strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the LaView Indoor Security Camera 2K and the LaView 4-megapixels Bulb Security Camera 2K in various categories. Each camera has its own unique strengths, but in the end, it all depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to both products and any available discounts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. Stay smart and stay safe. See you next time on Buy Smart.